Generate traffic by guest posting or guest blogging. Some quick and easy free traffic generation tactics. One of the most powerful traffic generation methods that's often overlooked is becoming a guest blogger by submitting your content to other blogs and websites. Now, many marketers submit content to article directories, which might have some benefit, but it's not quite as powerful as guest blogging is. The idea behind becoming a guest blogger is really quite simple. You contact the owners of blogs and websites within your niche and offer original content in exchange for a link back to your website. It's quite simple. This has tremendous benefits for search engine optimization because other websites within your market are going to be linking directly to your website, often with the anchor text of your choice, meaning whatever your title is of your article or your guest post. This isn't just about improving your search engine rankings, though, since submitting guest posts can bring lots of direct traffic as well, depending on where you're going to be guest blogging. Now, how do you go about doing this? Now, the simplest approach is the direct approach, meaning you would contact webmasters within your niche by looking for the top ranking websites for many different keywords in your market. Now, this can be time consuming, especially if you're trying to build a list of many different websites to contact, but you could easily outsource this part of the task if you needed to. Not everyone is going to agree to accept your contact, but that doesn't matter as long as you get a certain percentage to say yes. As you can imagine, it is important to focus on high quality content as this will improve your chances of syndication. Having high quality content really is going to improve your chance of the website owner or blog owner of accepting your content. The more successful the website is, the more traffic you will be able to generate to your own website, so it really is important that you do submit good quality content. Now, this really is just another form of article marketing, but you're actually going to directly to the important websites instead of just hoping that publishers will come and pick up your article from the article directories. So you're going directly to your source. Instead of just submitting your article to article directories and hope that other websites pick it up and syndicate it, you're doing it directly. You can basically think of this as article marketing on steroids.